hopefully everyone is fine. In this video, we will be discussing the concept of Hello guys, hopefully everyone is fine. In this video, we are discussing the concept of virtual function. So, C++ also have the concept of runtime polymorphism, and runtime polymorphism is achieved using virtual function only. Since we are talking about runtime polymorphism, so runtime polymorphism means that we will be using the concept of pointers. So we have a class, let's say class base, and in this particular option we are writing public, and we write void show, and I just write cout base. Now we will be inheriting this base class, so I'm writing public base, right? And in public I'm writing again void show, and I'm writing cout derived. Now since what about virtual function, I'll explain. In main I'm creating the object of base class. I'm writing base followed by obj, object of base class, and base class pointer to object means this ptr will point to the object of base class. So I'm writing p storing the address of obj, and I'm just calling the function show, so I can call it using p arrow show. I'm calling this function. Same applies, I'm creating the object of derived class obj1, and I'm pointing it using base class pointer that can easily point, and we are again calling show function. So pointer firstly is pointing to a base class object, then pointer is pointing to derived class object, and we are writing p arrow show. You know, when you execute this whole thing, you will see that two answers will come, base and base. First, this p will call this show, and then pointer of base class points to derived class object, and p arrow show means derived class function should work. Unfortunately, it doesn't work. Only base class function gets work, so base comes. This is a property where we as a programmer have made pointer pointing to the derived class object as well as base class object. But base class function gets called, and again base class function gets called even if it is pointing to the derived class object. It means there is this particular function void show is overriding this particular function. So how does it work? So it means I have to make this entire program to understand that we are working for both of them. So for that we are using the concept of virtual. So the moment we write a virtual keyword over here, we are just writing virtual keyword over here, virtual void show cout base, right? So when virtual void show function works, base class object, base class pointer is pointing to the base class object, p arrow show, this function should work. But over here it has also made compiler understand that you are pointing, p is pointing to the derived class object obj1, and p arrow show means derived class function should get called. Yes, over here when you execute this, you will get base derived both of them. This is how you work with virtual functions. Over here, it has made compiler understand that whoever you are pointing to, if you are pointing to the base class object, base class function should get called. If you are pointing to the derived class object, derived class function should get called. This is how it works out. If you have any doubt in this, you can always put it in comment section, and kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.